there, my name's Anthony. I'll be answering your question today. So the question is this. The perimeter of a quadrilateral is 57 inches. The longest side is 4 times as long as the shortest side. And then the other two sides are equally long and are 4 inches longer than the shortest side. Okay. So we have some information here, right? So I set up some starting equations, right? And I can add one more equation in here, right? Can add this equation too, right? So the equations I've added to this board, we can point them out right here, right? The first one is that the longest side is 4 times the length of the shortest side, so 4 times shortest side length, right? And then the perimeter of this whole thing is equal to the length of the longest side plus the equal side plus the equal side plus the shortest side. And that last rule that we had, that the other two sides, which are equally long, are 4 inches longer than the shortest side, right? So E is equal to S plus 4, right? So now we can substitute for everything for S, right? Because we have S over here, right? And we have S over here, and we can replace E with S because these things are equal, and things that are equal mean the same thing. So E can also be S plus 4, and L can be 4S. So why don't we just replace everything in our perimeter equation so that it's based on the shortest side, right? So the perimeter equals, so 4S plus S plus 4 plus S plus 4 plus S, right? And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms. So that means that we're going to take all the variables and then we're going to count them up and add the coefficients. And variables that are by themselves have a coefficient of 1. So we can just add that in and count those up, right? And our perimeter is going to be equal to 4, 5, 6, 7S, 7S. Plus, and then there's 2 4s, so that's 8, right? And what is the perimeter? The perimeter, well, we know the perimeter. The perimeter is 57 inches. So why don't we replace P with 57 inches too, right? And this is going to be our final equation. And now we can solve this using some algebra. And first we'll subtract the 8, right, from both sides, right? Opposite operations. When we add an 8, we want to subtract an 8, and those two things will cancel out, right? And 57 minus 8 is actually going to be, since these are 1 apart, I could imagine this is 58, right? And then we'll say that's going to be 50, but then I got to go 1 less, so it's 49 right there. 49 equals 7S. Oh, and then this is going to divide nice and cleanly. Look at that. We can divide that out, right? Because the coefficient is actually just a number that's multiplying. So if we're going to multiply by 7, we should divide by 7 as the opposite operation. And now 49 divided by 7 is 7. So that means the shortest side is 7. And then now we can plug this back in, and we'll see that this is 7, and then 7 plus 4 is 11, right? And then we have to do 7 times 4, which is going to be 28. And if we add all these up, we can see that this is going to be 57 again, right? This is going to be 22 plus 28. That's going to be 50. And then another 7, 57 inches. There we go. Hope you understood that all, and I hope it wasn't going too fast. Thank you for listening, and have a good one.